Hey, how's it going, everybody? Here's a quick review on the X-Truck bench seat cover. I took this portion off because it's a split bench, and you can zip it up right here. We had a small accident, but nothing big. In fact, it was because of that where I took this piece off, and even though it is waterproof, I wanted to give it a clean because you know, I travel with a gang of 4, if you know what I mean, little kids. So, but this is how it looks like. I'm able to fit car seats easily, as you can see. Excuse the mess. I've had this bench cover for at least a year. Keeps the you know, the chairs clean underneath for the most part, you know, but well, that's just because I travel with kids and it gets messy. But nonetheless, I recommend it. It comes in black. Antimicrobial protection, big fan of that. And I'm about to install it or reinstall it because, like I said, I cleaned this single portion, this one right here, and so I got some it's trashy over here. So either way, recommend it. Go check it out. It fits on a Chevy Silverado.